In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop notifications from MLB app. So if you've been receiving a lot of alerts or notifications from your MLB app and you wish to go ahead and put a permanent stop on this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to get this, go ahead and find your app and then just long press on it. Under this, you should see we have three options: share, app info, and uninstall. Go ahead and tap on app info, and this will take you to the app information page. From here, go to the section called permissions, and under permissions, you should see we have notifications. Now, if you go ahead and tap on it, you can see all these types of notifications have been turned on, and that's why you have been receiving those pop-up notifications. Some of the notifications that are on are permanent notifications, vibrations, play sound, lock screen notifications, as well as floating notifications. To turn them off all at once, go ahead and toggle off show notifications. Now this will go ahead and disable all notifications that you have been receiving from this app permanently, unless you go ahead and toggle this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop MLB pop-up notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.